Hello. So my name is Rahul Prajapati. Today I'll be explaining about my to-do list project, which has been made with simple HTML, CSS, and JS part. Okay, so this is my front end part. Like it has some box which where I will be providing some input into it, and it will just the system will grab this particular input and just put it down as a list on the down portion. Okay, so let's start with the first HTML part, then we will get into the JS part also. So this is my HTML part here, as you can see. So here I have used a simple container input box to just write some input over there, and that input only will be grabbed by system to used as a list over there into my unordered list item. So as you can see, this is a simple HTML portion of my code. Now let's get in towards my JS portion. Now let's see the JS code also. So now I have started with the handle input functionality. So this functionality will be only called if I just hit plus button over here. Here as you can see down. Okay. So now what will this handle input will do? Like it will just make a list li item into my full program, and it will just be pushed into my unordered list. Okay, so one thing to see over there is like I have used one random function also over here. So random function has been used in my project is like something like for it will provide it will give return me a unique id that I will put into my particular list. So in order to perform some tasks onto it, like deletion part or something like that. So here as you can see, this is my handle input portion, and that's what it is. And now let's get into my delete task item, this functionality. Okay, so here as you can see, this delete task will only work if I just this portion will only work like if I just get some id into it, like what the unique id I have provided with the while making that particular list. So that go that unique id will be used over here also. Okay, so firstly I will just traverse into my whole list and find the particular list item from the unordered list, and then I will performing the deletion part into it. Here as you can see in into my code. One more thing I would like to tell that into my code I have also made one functionality that will delete all the list item present into my unordered list once at a time when I click on the particular button. So let's get into the functionality of my project. Okay, so this is my front end part. Okay, now I will be just providing one sample input like something. Let's say okay, then I will just push add. Hit that add button. So it will appear on the downward side. Okay, let's give some more example like pizza, and let's say okay. So as you can see, here are three portions as into my list, and I can also perform some tasks like do mark done undone onto my library list. Okay, here as you can see, and you are also seeing that there is a button of cross which will just delete the particular list item from my unordered list. Okay, let me do it that as well. Okay, now you can see that that portion has been just removed from here into my unordered list. One more thing I would like to tell that in the download portion, as you can see here, it will indicate that how many list items are present as of now. Okay, now as you can see here, two items present often as of now, so it is I'm indicating two over here, as you can see. Now let's get into this particular delete all task button. So as I have told earlier that I have just made this functionality into my code that some if I just want to delete all the items, let's say I have also let's say I just give one more something like let's say this particular random keyword I have added over here. Okay, now I just want to delete all the three items once at a time. So I will just put click on this particular button. Here as you can see, all the three items has been removed once in the one go. Okay, so that was all of my project. Thank you.